just gonna take it and literally just wrap your head in. Yeah. And then if you don't really like all that hair on your neck, you can just lift it up and put it in a bonnet or something. That's you if you want to do that. Hi, LJP here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. You could become a future subscriber. I'm sorry if my energy is kind of low. It's kind of passing through the screen, ain't it? Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how I install my lace front. Not specifically just this one, but this is the main one that I've been doing. So, yeah. Anywho, I actually am going to show you a time lapse and then I'm going to be speaking over it. So if you have any questions or... Hey, glad to have you here, right. So anyway, I just washed Miss Foxy, okay? And we finna blow dry her. And I like to wash my wig, you know, not the same amount as I wash my hair, but maybe every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, maybe every 3 styles. And then for my sideburns, I just go in with this facial razor, blade, whatever you want to call it, with that aloe vera gel. That way it's just like a smooth little texture on my face. Anyway, and then make sure to oil your hair before you get in the ball cap, because I forgot. I really did. Then we're going to take some Got To Be glue spray and we're going to do a few layers and then alternating on the heat with the blow dryer and then with the cool setting with the blow dryer. Once that's dry, I take my scissors before my hairline and you can continuously pull up as much as you need to and then pull that band up over and back, or you can leave it on your hairline, that's your choice. But yeah, just cut as much as you think. And then make sure to measure your wig before you cut the lace and all that. And before you cut the ball cap. Because you don't want to, you know, have it lopsided and whatnot. And then I'm just taking this tinted hairspray and rolling around with this makeup brush as if it's really doing something. But we're not going to talk about it. I need to get some foundation. Don't do me. Okay. Your girl ain't got a job right now. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, this is me when I realized that I forgot to oil my hair. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep running that around. Really just stay in the front. You didn't have to do the back. That was doing the most. But I mixed the oil and the spray. That was me. That was a personal choice I decided to make. And then, once you got done getting that hairline ready, which I'm talking faster than me in this video for some reason, you're gonna clean up the residue of that Got To Be glue spray if you do use it. And then again, just gonna let her dry, or get her dry rather. Once she's drying up, especially on the scalp, if anything, get her dry on the scalp if you don't get anything else dry. All right, and then we're gonna clip her back. Well, I like to clip her back so I can get these edges together and make sure that my hairline is lined up with this wig, because I do not need this lace looking like, I don't even know, stiff? I don't know. But anywho, like I was saying, if you don't get anything else dry, get the scalp dry first. Then you can put her on for real. And just tie her back. It makes it easier, to me anyway. Also, spread that foundation as much as you need to before you do that final spray of Got To Be glue, and hold it down with something. And here, as you can tell, I'm wearing this blue band, so my hairline is getting pressure. Okay, and then I'm just straightening it until I'm satisfied and do them edges, and you are good to go. That's about it. There's really nothing else to it. And me being me, I'm gonna straighten it and do my edges until I really love it, because I don't want it to be mediocre. I think it came out pretty good. For my first time doing it straight, you know how if you really nitpicky, you just gonna keep doing something over and over again until it look perfect. Perfect don't exist. Perfection is not real. It's an illusion. But anywho, I think it came out pretty good. I should have done my edges right, like another edge, like, yeah, but I'm satisfied. This was supposed to be looking like a swoop. It don't look like a swoop now. Anywho, this process, I would say, takes at least 30 minutes. That's if you didn't just wash the lace front or your own hair and then having to do the braids. Yeah, I don't miss it. If you didn't know, if you don't know, I'm bald. So that's what I'm saying. I don't miss it. Hey, all up under here, is gone. You'll see it later in the video. Anyway, or you saw it. I don't know where you were at. And anyway, I don't know where this clip is gonna go. So if you're seeing this, I don't know. Anywho, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning because I wanted to go ahead and get this done, and then I have a photo shoot tomorrow. So, oh yeah, if you're seeing this now, there's the message. If you're seeing this now, my Instagram pictures will be up of me in this hair. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, it won't be straight, but yeah. Let me see all that. Now, I understand that this look all nice and whatnot, but back here, no, because I don't want to. I don't want to glue this down if I'm not going to be really wearing it that long. Like, I only plan to wear it for this weekend. This is why I use this. And, you can actually use both. But I didn't use Ghostbond. I just used some spray. I usually put this on my scalp. But I didn't feel like it this time because last week I didn't do that. And, my head wasn't itching half as bad. I don't know why, but it wasn't itching that much. And sometimes I put this on my edges, but not every single time. An edge brush, I'm pretty sure, just came in the pack with that Love Me wig, but I think this one came with one too. So, yeah. Then I got my big clip. I think I got this from Walmart. And this is like a headband that's like from, I don't know how long ago I got this. I did actually use this to take off my sideburns. As you can tell, only red hairs, and my natural hair is blue right now. So, anyway, you can get aloe vera from Walmart or Dollar Tree or, well, actually, yeah, they have it, but it's not this specific one. Or you can get it from Five Below. Tinted lace. Just a nice little spray. Local beauty supply store. And then I put this, not that much, on the wig whenever I'm like straightening it, so that way it's like not getting frizzy. A brush that's coated in a lot of hair. Anyway, brush and comb, nothing major, and some scissors. Blow dryer, flat iron. That's about it. I did actually want to do curls, but I decided to switch it up because I've been doing curls and this looks really good to me. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content with my hair. I like to wear this at night, that way my hair ain't going every which way because I'm a wild sleeper. So, you can get this at Walmart too. I think it was like $3 maybe, but it's like, it's pretty long, like, yeah, I think it's worth the money. Okay, so anyway, just gonna take it and literally just wrap your head in. Yeah. And then if you don't really like all that hair on your neck, you can just lift it up and put it in a bonnet or something. That's you if you want to do that. I love y'all. Happy Friday. Make sure to keep your hair protected if you want it to last long, look good throughout the time you're wearing it, obviously. I will see you next week. And as usual, cue music.